What's up guys? Kamusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about video credit card redelivery. At saka paano nga ba mag-request ng branch pickup sa video credit card. Kasi kapag hindi talaga dumating, nung una kong vlog is pinag-usapan natin yung video credit card delivery. Tapos ngayon, hindi talaga dumating. So ngayon, ano nga ba yung dapat nyo gawin para makuha nyo talaga yung video credit card ninyo kapag hindi dumating sa unang attempt ng delivery? Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, to request a video credit card redelivery or branch pickup, fill out the credit card redelivery form on the website. Using your reference number, for branch pickup, you can specify this preference in the form or call the video hotline at 632-8888-0000 to coordinate after failed delivery attempts. So ngayon, ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito? Isa-isahin natin siya ngayon. To request for a video credit card redelivery or branch pickup, kailangan niyo pumunta guys sa video official website. Hanapin ninyo yung form which is instruction for redelivery of your video credit card para ma-notify sila na yung first attempt delivery of your video credit card is nag-failed. Ngayon, pag nalaman nila na nag-failed, since nag-fail out kayo, i-redeliver yung credit card ninyo. Ngayon, hindi iyon yung way para makapag-request kayo ng branch pickup. Ang kailangan nyo gawin kung gusto nyo ipa-branch pickup na lang para sure na makuha, pag sinabi kasing branch pickup is sa isang branch ipapadala yung credit card ninyo, which is kung saan kayo convenient sa branch na iyon na madali nyo lang puntahan if ever na dumating na yung video credit card ninyo. Using your reference number. So, kailangan guys yung reference number ninyo. Noong nag-apply kayo ng video credit card after the application, dapat sinave ninyo yung reference number. Kasi yun yung kakailanganin kapag nag-fill out kayo ng redelivery form sa BDO website. Ngayon naman, regarding branch pickup, kung gusto mo na lang ipa-branch pickup para sure na makuha, make sure lang guys na yung branch na yun is convenient para sa inyo puntahan. What I mean is kapag nandyan na yung credit card, madali nyong makuha. Kasi kapag hindi nyo na agad nakuha yan, i-reverse nila yan, ibabalik nila yan sa main office sa BDO. Kaya naman guys, make sure na yung branch na yun is talagang convenient para sa inyo na puntahan mo. Then ngayon, kailangan yung tumawag guys sa video hotline number para i-request yung branch pickup. Ito yung hotline nila, 632-8888-0000. Then kailangan nyo muna guys mag-failed yung delivery, di ba? Kasi nung pinag-usapan natin sa unang vlog is yung credit card delivery, tapos nag-failed yon. Ngayon, ano nga ba yung dapat nyong gawin para makuha nyo talaga yung video credit card ninyo? Which is, mag-request kayo ng branch pickup. Kailangan muna na mag-failed yung delivery before kayo makapag-request ng branch pickup. Steps to redelivery or branch pickup. Online form, para ito sa redelivery kung ayaw mo ng branch pickup. Visit the official video credit card redelivery form to input your last name, first name, middle name, tracking number, and preferred address for instructions. So, kung ayaw mo na i-pick up ng branch, gusto mo talaga dumating sa bahay ninyo, kailangan nyo pumunta sa video official website para mag-fill out ng redelivery form. Ilagay ninyo yung last name, first name, middle name, at saka yung tracking number or yung reference number. And then, the preferred address kung saan nyo gusto ipa-deliver. Specify pickup. Ngayon, kung gusto mo naman na ipa-branch pickup, sa branch pickup kasi guys is 100% talaga ninyo makukuha yung credit card ninyo. Within the form or when speaking to a representative, request to have the card held at a specific branch for pickup. So, pag sinabing branch for pickup kasi guys, doon i-address kung ano yung branch na kung saan convenient kayo puntahan. So, doon mo na siya kukunin. It requires valid ID guys kapag nag-claim na kayo. Huwag kayo mag-alala guys kasi ino-notify kayo via SMS ni BDO kapag dumating na doon sa preferred branch ninyo yung credit card ninyo. Kaya naman tip lang guys, kailangan talaga yung mobile number noong nag-apply kayo is active talaga siya at na-access nyo talaga. Kasi kung hindi nyo makikita yung updates about your BDO credit card branch pickup request delivery. Kasi doon kayo i-notify. hotline assistance. Call the BDO Customer Contact Center at 632-8888-0000, domestic, or 632-840-7000 to coordinate pickup if the online form is not sufficient. So ngayon kapag hindi enough yung online form ng fill out ninyo, much better to call BDO Contact Center. Dalawa siya para sa BDO branch pickup at BDO credit card redelivery. So ito yung tatawagan nyo. 4 na 8, 4 na 0. Domestic siya. Tapos, kung pwede naman sa pag gusto nyo mag-coordinate ng branch pickup, 632-8840-7000. Then next guys is wait for notification. Wait for an SMS confirmation stating the card is ready for pickup at the branch before going, which usually 3 to 5 banking days for Metro Manila and 5 to 7 banking days for provincial branches. So as you can see dito guys is, wait nyo muna yung confirmation na dumating na yung credit card sa branch na yon, which is para sure hindi sayang yung pagpunta ninyo. Make sure lang guys na antayin niyo yung SMS notification, which is doon marireceive sa registered mobile number at saka email. Kaya naman guys, inuulit ko, kailangan talaga kapag nag-apply kayo ng BDO credit card, yung ilalagay yung mobile number is active talaga siya at na-access ninyo. Kailangan yun para sa updates ng BDO credit card delivery at saka redelivery, and then kung nag-request kayo ng branch pick up. Ngayon, kung if nawala, kailangan nyo talagang ipa-update yun guys. Tumawag kayo sa BDO Contact Center, sabihin nyo na nawala yung mobile number nung nag-apply kayo, gusto nyo magpa-update ng contact details. Ensure you have the reference number from the SMS or email regarding the failed delivery ready. So, kailangan talaga guys, i-document ninyo yung notification na nag-fail yung delivery kasi nagpapadala si BDO guys if ever na nag-fail yung unang delivery. Ngayon, before kayo makapag-request ng pick up by branch or redelivery, kailangan documented yung text message nila or notification na nag-fail yung delivery sa unang attempt. At saka yun guys, regarding credit card redelivery, kailangan nyo talagang tumawag kung gusto nyo mag-request ng pick up by branch. Kasi hindi siya basta na lang na ipapadala ni BDO, hindi nila makikita doon yung address niyo. Like for example, yung address niyo is dito. Tapos sasabihin ni BDO, okay, dito ko na lang ipapadala sa branch nito since malapit siya. Kailangan talaga yung coordination ninyo. Hindi po ganun si BDO. Kailangan ikaw yung mag-initiate, ipaalam mo sa kanila na magre-request ka ng pick up by branch. Kasi kung hindi, yun, hindi din nila ipapadala yung credit card mo. Nakahang lang doon yung credit card mo. Ngayon, kung mag-follow up ka na, saka pa nila ipapadala yun. Kailangan talaga yung coordination ninyo. At saka yun, yung address ninyo guys, make sure lang na tama. Kasi kapag nagkakamali kayo sa address, magkakaligaw-ligaw talaga si BDO credit card rider. So, sure talaga na mag-fail yung delivery attempt ng credit card ninyo. Kaya naman make sure na i-consider ninyo yung address, lagyan ninyo kung ano yung landmark na talagang madaling mahanap para mas mabilis or smooth lang yung delivery of your BDO credit card. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for my videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!